So guys, yeah, a part for my car just came in. I had to open it because I had to see if it was broken or not. I know so many of y'all wanted me to get a part for this car. Well, this part specifically, I bet y'all already know what it is. Let me open it up for you guys and then I'll show you guys when I open it. Bro, it's a fucking Nismo carbon fiber wing, bro. I haven't seen anybody rock this. Yo, boy! This is lit. Let's go try it on the car. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. I just need to actually glue it on there. Right now, I just fucking put some tape around just so I can see how it looks. Oh my gosh, dude. This looks so badass. I'll catch up with you guys whenever I get this thing installed. So I'll see you guys then. Pretty much I installed the wing, but I'm having issues with it actually sticking. So on this wing, there's no actual part you can like bolt it on without it breaking through the carbon fiber and exposing to the outside. So I would have to double-sided tape it, which is what I did. But as you guys could hear, I'm having trouble with it actually sticking on. So I'm gonna try to figure out another way. Maybe I could put it on, or I don't know, because right now it's not sticking. I'm gonna ask a couple of friends, see what they think. So I'll get back with you guys whenever I figure something out. All right, so here's a little sneak peek outside for you guys. I mean, it doesn't really look good with the tape on it, but just so you guys can get an idea. Alright guys, so my homeboy came and helped. All we did was just put 4 bolts, because I mean, I don't know what else to do. I was thinking about putting the sealer they put for windshields, but I don't want to have to deal with it if I end up wanting to change the wing or something. I don't want to deal with having to repaint it, because that stuff is not going to come off. That is the Nismo V2 carbon fiber wing installed for you. Now I got a little bit of downforce whenever I go racing or whatever. Got a little bit of downforce now, so that's cool. Also, I got to run a full bolt-on E85 admin tuned 370Z. He's supposedly the fastest right now, so I ran him, and I'll let you guys see that, and that's gonna be the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Please subscribe, like, comment on the video. Thank you.